There are a lot of new and exciting things coming to the Shopify platform, but one thing that I'm very excited about is the new Shopify theme, which is called Dawn. It has a lot of really cool functionality in it that really expands how much you can customize your store. So in this video, we are going to go over all the new things that you can do with Shopify's latest theme. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into my computer now. So I'm in my Shopify store area now, and I'm in the online store themes area. You can see here I have an existing theme already, but to check out Shopify's new Dawn theme, you just need to go to this free themes area, click explore free themes, and you'll see all the free themes that are available, and Dawn is right here on the list. So let's go ahead and get this added in now. Okay, great. So now that this is added in, let's go ahead and customize it, and I'll show you some of the new options. So I'll hit customize here. And now you have your homepage that you can design and add in different sections on the left like you're used to and like we've shown in other videos. Again, you can go down here and click on add section to add another theme section to this theme. So we could just say blog post, it'll add it in here, and we can always also drag and drop it around into the order that we want it to show up. So you know this has been part of the homepage editor for a while. However, the really cool thing with the Dawn theme is that you can now do this for collection pages and product pages as well. So to get to those sections that you can customize, you'll click on this drop down up here, and let's do the collection first. So we'll click collections. And I'm just going to click the default collection. You can also set up different templates if you wanted to stylize it to all be different styles. For, let's say, the gift wrap is one style, the coffee mugs are another style. You can go in and create different templates there. But you can now see we have just our regular collection page with our products. However, now we can add in additional sections. So if we click on add section, we can then see all of the different images as well. So let's add in a few. Let's do an image banner, and then we can add in a email sign up, and let's add another one in of blog post as well. So now we've got this set up, and we can go into each of these individual things and actually start customizing this for the collection page. So really cool functionality that you can now use to really customize and bring your branding throughout. And this is the same for the product page as well. So let's click again up here in the drop down, click on products. And you can just click on the default product again, or if you click on create template, you can go in and create that template name. So let's just name this gift wrap and click create template. Now you can see whenever we are up here in this menu that we have our gift wrap, and you can then assign it to different products as well. So let's go in and customize this now. So this is not the gift wrap yet, but this is our card set. So again, we have the option to, these are our options for our product information, and it has this you may also like for the product recommendations, but let's click add section, and let's do a image banner here as well. And we'll just also do a blog post section. So we're now able to stylize and customize this for our individual product page, which gives a lot of additional functionality for you. So if you have a unique thing that you are doing for your product, like a unique process or unique materials, that is a really helpful way to be able to add that additional functionality of displaying that information on your product page. So if we hit save now, so again, you would want to go in and customize all of this, but let's hit save. So let's go ahead and exit out of this now, and we'll see how that template works in action. So we still have our Brooklyn theme as our main theme. So first we need to publish our Dawn theme so you can see this take effect. So I'm just going to go to actions for Dawn and click on publish. Again, I don't recommend doing this until you have it set up, but this is just for test purposes. Now that we have this set up as our main theme, we can then go to our products area, and we can find a theme that we want to add this new template to. So we can click on the gift wrap, and let's just view this right now so we can see how it takes effect. So this is just our default product template here. But if we go back, and now on this product page back in Shopify, if we scroll down to the online store theme template area, if we click on default product, we'll now see the gift wrap that we set up and hit save. And now let's go back to our product and refresh that. So now whenever we scroll down the page, we see our image banner and our blog post that we have set up. So you could go through and you could customize all of your different products that are different categories with different product templates so that you're, again, able to stylize those a little bit more and talk more about what makes that individual product or collection of products unique. So there's a lot of cool functionality that the Shopify Dawn theme has that you're now able to use for customizing your store and just really bringing your branding throughout. Another really cool feature that they have introduced is meta fields that you can use for your products. So we're going to be going over that in an upcoming video. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that one as well. Okay, so I hope you found that video tutorial helpful. So let me know in the comments below, are you going to be trying out the Dawn theme for your Shopify store, or are you sticking with your other theme? And if so, what theme are you currently using? Make sure to comment below and let us know. Also, if you want more strategies all about Shopify and how to grow your online store, check out our Shopify Growth Strategies playlist over here. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And we post videos every week all about Shopify and how to grow your online store. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.